guys, your girl messed up this morning. I thought I had a PT session at 9 AM and I was running really late, so I didn't vlog this morning. I hoofed it down to the gym to find Monica cheating on me with a different client, and she said that our session wasn't until 6:30 tonight, so I don't know how I did that. I've done what's on my screen? Something went wrong there with my planning, so I did half an hour of cardio and now I'm gonna go back at 6:30 and do my session. So I was like, while I'm here I might as well do something. I can't just walk down and then walk back again. So did a bit of quick little bit of low intensity cardio before my breakfast. Now I'm gonna eat my breakfast. It's Vlogmas day, let's have a look. Sorry, welcome to Vlogmas day 13, guys. It is the 13th of December. Christmas is coming. I did a little bit of Christmas present buying in the end last night, and me and Tim, this is your little perch at the moment, isn't it? This is where you've been sitting. I'm wearing this again. I throw this on to run down to the gym because it's just so baggy and comfortable. I had a really unproductive day yesterday. I was very disappointed in myself, so I ended up just going to bed. And then this morning, I couldn't wake up again, which is annoying because I honestly was waking up naturally at 6 AM. I gave myself one day to lie in until 8:30 and now my body clock's ruined again. I love yoga. I've got an 8:30 spin class in the morning, so I need to be up by 7. Today's plan: edit a sponsored video, edit yesterday's vlog. I'm gonna do that now. I wanna try and do a bit of the Colombia vlog. And then later on, me and Tim are going to the cinema to see Knives Out, which is like a murder mystery film, and I'm really excited for it because our New Year's Eve party this year is going to be at my friend Liz's house. You guys know Liz now, you've met her many times. She's hosting it with her boyfriend Tom, who is not just her boyfriend, he's also a very good friend of mine. My friends Tom and Liz. They are hosting a murder mystery night, so we all have to go in costume and one of us is the murderer. And I'm just super pumped. I'm so excited. I think it's gonna be so much fun. So we're gonna go see a murder mystery tonight, me and Tim, to get ourselves in the murder mystery spirit. Oh my god, also I can't believe I nearly forgot. I am now in queue to buy Tim's Christmas present with 1 minute 25 seconds to go until this present gets released. I nearly forgot. Tim, if you're watching, stop watching now. Skip like 3 minutes, okay? So I'm trying to get Tim Brockhampton tickets for Christmas, but I know these are gonna sell out like that. So 59 seconds until they go on sale. I feel like this is deja vu. I did the exact same thing with Kendrick Lamar. Like, I filmed me trying to get Tim tickets. Oh my god, I'm so stressed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go. Find tickets. Look at me. I did it! Okay, Tuesday, May 19th. Hooray! 19th of May, baby. Brockhampton are hitting Brixton. This is so exciting. I'm gonna text Ethan. Oh my god. Our friend Ethan also managed to get a ticket. I literally texted him like, better get right now, get on the website. Do it now. And he was like, I'm so glad that you told me not to tell Tim because I would have fully told him instantly if I had it. All right, vlog 1 is edited. So let's do the advent calendars. I'm on the other side now with the Nivea one. Oh, it's another lip balm. This is the original lip balm, number 13. Dr. Dennis Gross, who I've heard a lot of good things about. The professional grade IPL dark spot concentrated serum. I'm actually really excited to try that because I scar. When I get a spot, it scars, and it scars hard and for a long time. It takes a long time for them to fade. So I'm actually really excited to give that a try. Brillo Willow. And it is time for me to draw the winner of the giveaway from the other day. So I've put together the box of goodies. There is definitely a lot more than initially anticipated. I just kept thinking, oh, that would be nice. Oh, that's good. So you've got basically a full face here. I'm gonna put all of the comments into a random generator and select it. It's generating. Okay, Abby Bradley. Abby Bradley, you have won the giveaway. I am gonna message you on Instagram right now. Hooray! I love doing giveaways. I want to do these more often, this is fun. This is such an accurate example of some of the weird things I have to eat. So here I've got couscous, corn chicken, cucumber, carrots, and hummus. It's like a salad, but not really a salad. It's very strange. It's basically all I've got left. I'm out of most of my salad stuff, so this is my lunch. And I've just had like 100 grams of friggin' cashew nuts because they're the best. I finally updated my YouTube header. I've been meaning to do it for ages, and I love how simple it is, but with like some really snazzy images. I'm very, very pleased. I've made my dinner. I'm leaving it here. So as soon as I get back from the gym, I can wolf it down before Tim and I go to the cinema. I'm prepped and ready to go.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane.
I can lift the weight, but I can't put the clothes on. Okay. Yo, double.
This is harder than actually squatting this.
It's very tight. I don't know why. And then this one's fine. No, this one's fine.
Yeah, it is tight.
Finished my session. I'm now quickly gonna wolf down my protein shake. Tim's on his way. to come pick me up because we're going on a hot date tonight. We're going to the cinema. I did already say, didn't I? Yeah, I think I did. Dinner is ready and raring to go.
Day, night.
Day, night, day, night, day, night. We're going on a date. We're going to see Knives Out. Tim and I, we've not been in the cinema since the Joker. And we loved the Joker.
It's just Joker, actually.
Okay, Joker. We love Joker. We'll give you a little mini film review. Emma and Tim's film reviews, as we know you love them so much. I'm really excited. I can't remember anything about the trailer.
I just remember really liking the trailer.
Yeah, we saw the...
what happened in it.
No, we saw the trailer and we were both like, we have to go and see that. I love watching the trailers at the cinema.
Yeah.
It's actually so fun. It's just as good as... No, it's not just as good, but...
That's why we're racing to the cinema now.
Yeah, Tim was like...
There and the movie doesn't stop in 20 more minutes.
No, but we have to see the trailers. My session was super hard, by the way. I nearly passed out halfway through. We got through it. Didn't have time to shower or change, so I'm going to listen. Oh no. Oh no.
What?
I'm gonna have to spin in these shoes.
What are they?
My Reeboks.
In fact,
I forgot to pack my train. We've got a spin tomorrow at 8:30. I'm really looking for. I love spin.
it is fun.
I look forward to it. I miss. Sorry, you go.
We got the new girl.
Oh yes, Stacey. Our usual girl's name is Grace, and we love her. But she's on holiday, I think. So we've got
Oops.
pick a gear, any gear. Now we've got a different girl this week. Nearly went into the back of that car. I really miss doing the 5Ks. I miss the park run, but it's just so miserable.
But it's better to do it like this. It's awful in the hot.
Well then let's go do it.
Yeah, let's.
Why haven't we done it then?
Because we're going to spin tomorrow.
Can we do it next week?
Sure.
Okay.
Well, that's Christmas morning, like for you. Well, we can do it if you like.
We're meeting at my dad's house at 1.
Come on then, why not?
Okay, we're gonna go to a park. So
1? That means presents at like late.
yeah,
it's fine, it's
we do
fine.
presents after lunch. So I'm having a Christmas at my dad's house on the 22nd. Is it the 22nd?
It's 21st.
21st, and then we're doing like a fake Boxing Day and going for like a dog walk on the Sunday. Let's go for a run the morning of, and then we can earn our Christmas dinner.
Wonderful.
Right, we're pulling into the cinema. We will let you know what we think. I love the cinema! We just got back and I'm very disappointed that Jack is not here. Jack's Tim's dog, by the way, if you don't know. I was really excited to see him. He's with Tim's brother. I would give that film a 7. It was like a slow start. Took quite a lot to build up to it. It was more light-hearted than I was expecting. I liked the way it was shot. It was aesthetically pleasing to look at. Yeah, slow plot. It's like, how are they gonna make something out of this? And then the end was pretty good. So yeah, 7 out of 10. Still worth seeing. I did enjoy it. Do you have any? Oh, Tim is brushing his teeth. Not a good time to ask him to speak.
I thought the film was good. Slow start, like you said. It was good that it was surprising. Like, you'd think that it's not gonna be like a big mystery reveal, and like you go after and like, come on, like how can they do anything here? But then they just do, because it's like that's what it is. 7.5. I was at 8 and above is for like, that was so good.
Yeah.
But it was near that. It's the first act and a half. Been a bit better. Maybe.
I stand by my 7. There were too many flaws in it for me.
Yeah, fair. It wasn't,
But
it wasn't
I
perfect by
really
any means.
enjoyed it. Like, it was an easy, enjoyable watch. But as a film, it was a 7. So join us next time for Emma and Tim review films. What's the next one we're going to go see? We need to go see Frozen.
Yeah.
Tim loves Frozen.
Yeah, it's really good.
Tim and I are going to go to bed now because we are going to a 8:30 spin class in the morning, which I'm actually really looking forward to. Say your final words.
Farewell, friends.
farewell, friends, and we will see you bright and early tomorrow morning. Good night.
See ya.
See ya.